So Elon Musk has a unique approach to logistics at Tesla. Elon Musk has become well known for his leadership at Tesla, SpaceX, and his other business ventures. But how he's managed to make his car company profitable in such a short span of time is particularly impressive. And Clean Technica has a very interesting coverage on this, saying with legacy automaker histories spanning over a century, Elon Musk's focus on logistics at Tesla has given the company, electric vehicle maker, a wave of advantages. And he recently pointed to this detail during a Q&A. So what happened is this. During the Q&A session at the end of Tesla's Investor Day, CEO Elon Musk pointed to logistics as an important factor in the company's development of its next generation platform, as can be seen in a video from CNET. I will have the link of that video in the description of this video so you can guys look. By the way, at Torque News YouTube channel, where I report these news stories about Tesla and electric vehicles, every time I make a reference to something, you can always go to the description of the video and look at the bottom. I have a special reference section where you can check all the references. So just as Tesla went through with the debut of the Model S and Model X and Model 3 and Model Y platforms, the company will need to face off against logistical issues to bring a more affordable vehicle to market. Batteries are won with tactics, wars are won with logistics, Musk said during the Q&A. The logistics challenges here are enormous, he said. Tesla is no stranger to what Elon Musk has previously referred to as logistics hell. I don't like this wording, this phrasing, because hell means something really else. But, he referred to that as logistics hell, with the development of the Model 3 falling short of production targets due to several challenges. Musk previously said logistical issues with Model 3 pre-production caused tons of stress and pain from about mid-2017 to mid-2019. Upcoming challenges for the company's next generation platform are not unlike past troubles with production, as Musk points out. Stabilizing logistical details, especially with regard to the still growing industry of battery cell production, will be key to delivering on an affordable mass market vehicle in the coming years, according to Elon Musk. Here's what he said. The rate of progress is the rate at which we are able to scale 10,000 logistics problems, Elon Musk added, saying most significant of those is the cell production. We actually deliberately try to overdo cell production or cell supply to have that exceed what is needed in vehicles. Because if it goes below what is needed for vehicles, the factories stall. And he said, to be sure, organizing a wide web of components and mineral suppliers, having them manufacture the necessary parts, then planning timelines and delivery of parts, and then using these parts to produce cars at volume are no easy logistical problems to solve. Tesla's past experience may make it more financially viable for the company, though, even as many startup electric vehicle manufacturers struggle to stay afloat amidst billions of losses. Tesla Fremont factory is Tesla's first production factory, but did you know that it's still being upgraded and refined? And in this report, I'm going to start by telling you some of the improvements and upgrades that Tesla is currently doing at the Fremont factory, because we have a lot of expectations from the Fremont factory. Tesla is continuing to upgrade and refine its Fremont factory after all these years while being the first factory for Tesla. The reason for this is that Tesla has a philosophy of continuous improvement. Let's go over with these improvements with the help of our Torque News, the Tesla reporter, Jeremy Johnson. Jeremy says the first change involves Tesla preparing for a new Model 3 design at the Fremont factory and a possible refresh of the Model Y SUV. He says there are also changes Tesla is making at the Fremont factory to prepare for Cybertruck battery production. Tesla is going to need to get all the batteries it can get for the Cybertruck. That gives us three primary changes. Actually, that gives us three primary changes that are currently happening at the Fremont factory. First, prepare for Model 3 design change. Second, a possible refresh of the Model Y long range. Third, battery production for the Cybertruck. Tesla has been making many changes over the past month at the Fremont and to improve its production lines, tooling, and even more. Tesla has submitted filings that show this. This is why we know it. This is how we know it, friends. The dates of these changes are February 19, February 23, February 24, and March 2nd and March 3. So these are very late changes happening, actually latest changes happening at the Fremont factory. When Tesla does a tooling upgrade, this is to help with the build quality of its vehicles and for improving the operation of the entire factory. Tesla has to do these upgrades or its build and process will get old and stale. Like I said, Fremont is Tesla's very first factory. That's why it needs continuously to improve, just like Tesla vehicles that keep continuously improving through the over-the-air upgrades. After hundreds of thousands of vehicles made at the Fremont factory that are produced there, upgrades are required in order for Tesla to keep up with the overwhelming demand for its vehicles. Tesla has also installed new ground for rollers and lifter tools on March 9 and March 10. These changes are often the installation of a few more manufacturing lines, which are supposedly being done to support Project Highland, Tesla's refresh of the Model 3. But we can't confirm this. Tesla has also started to improve its quality control measures at its Fremont factory in order to reduce errors on Model 3 and Model Y builds. When Tesla first released the Model 3, it struggled with build quality and panel gaps. These have improved over the years. Part of this is due to the installation of new equipment at the Fremont factory and the development of new technology and processes like automated quality control equipment. Some have even spoken of a Project Juniper. However, Tesla has not commented on this yet. This is supposedly the refresh of Tesla's Model Y SUV and is like the Project Highland for the Model 3. So the Project Highland is for the refresh of the Model 3 electric vehicle. But some have spoken about the Project Juniper, which is supposed to be the Model Y SUV refresh. However, like I said, Tesla has not commented on this yet. So I don't think Tesla is going to completely change the Model Y, but it will likely make improvements and refinements in the quality of the way the vehicle is built. So what do you think of the Tesla's improvements in the Fremont factory, friends? Now, I think at some point, Tesla's Model Y also will need a refresh, just like the Model 3, if Tesla wants to make it a long-term goal, making it one of the best vehicles, if not the most sold vehicle in the world. Let me know, friends, what do you think about all these questions described in this video? This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll look at that together and I will try to comment. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.